Hello from Slovenia again. I have a request from one of my viewers to do the same, try to do the same painting, similar painting that I did in my video 377, that I used three, just blue, magenta and yellow, but do this to do it with fluorescent neon colors. So I have fluorescent blue, fluorescent magenta and fluorescent yellow, and of course my pearl white mixture, and today they are mixed with my pouring medium. So I was thinking to maybe do one video with mixing my glue on camera and mix it with colors and pearl white so that you can see. So if you would be interested, let me know in the comments and I will do it, because a lot of people still say that they don't get the same result with glue. So maybe it's your mixture, your thickness. So tell me in the comments if you want to see me do that on camera, mix my glue and everything else. So I would love to do it if you want to see that. And I will add another layer of colors. Whoop, I hope that this wasn't a blob, because I have these colors mixed up for quite some time. They were covered, but still. I hope not. And I was thinking to draw these lines today a little different, so we will see if this will make any difference. Yellow. I will turn this around. This is just a little, and I will use another cup because here is a lot of yellow and I don't want to have that, because I will end up with a bunch of green. So I will do just one kind of layer in the middle part. And then I will show you what I think about how to draw a line, rack it, whatever. Okay. I will spray my paper napkin with water while this paint flows down. And now let's see what will happen if I bring this to the middle. I hope that it will not end up with a big bowl looking thing. We will see. And now I will bring out this part. Let's see what will happen. We will see. Okay, let's gently touch it. I just hope that this green, yellow will not take over totally. I don't know. Let's lift this napkin. And see how this will look with the different I just don't know why I drip lately so much. So it does look different, you see? Just try to pick this drips, and I like it. It's so vibrant. It's a small flower, but still so cute. I really like it. And I just see that you have a glare. Okay, better. I could have done a little better job with lifting, but you can't have all. You already know that. So see this beautiful, beautiful lacing, and colors are vibrant, and it's not too much yellow. I think I like this lacing so much. I did get a little of green, but not as much that I would be concerned about. So you see, it gives this look kind of with more petals. I will just touch this part. You see, just this one, because it kind of bothers me, but otherwise I'm really happy. It is different with this different racking, or it gives a different pattern, so with more kind of more petals or something. So but I love it. Maybe I will do one and spin it to go a little over the edges, because maybe it would look nice too. But I'm really happy with all this lacing. It's beautiful. So please tell me if you want me to do this glue mixing video, and tell me what you think about that one. And see you on the next one. Bye.